we have a little bit of a problem where we have to play a syncopation. Syncopation is when you play between the beat, not necessarily on the beat, and it happens here in the music measure 21 and 22, and it also happens here at 25, and it continues on in 29. We are trying to imagine how to play on and off the beat. And so the best way, in my experience, to learn how to do this is to not play with the bow. So we're going to put the bow down and instead play only pizzicato style. So we're going to take our hand and we're going to pizzicato this. And what's important, what you're going to see is that you're going to, that right there, this tap is the beat. Okay? Bump, 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 body. And so we're going to do this. And so these are the notes right here. We're going to go like that. We're really tapping out the beat. Bum, bum, bum. And you notice when you pull off, that's a note. See what I'm doing there? And I'm really pulling off the beat right there because it's because I don't have to slap it right there. And this is an easy way for you to feel what it is to play a syncopation. Now I'm going to put in the metronome at 84. And if you're wondering exactly what piece I'm playing, it's my arrangement of the Sugar Plum Fairy cello duet. And it's right here, but this is really universal for all syncopations. You want to learn a syncopation, put your metronome on and play it with pizzicato. You put your hand down on the cello, tap it out the beat, ba, 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 and you pluck in between. So that really helps you feel the syncopation. And the best thing about playing with the metronome is that if it disappears and you can't hear it, that means you're perfectly on the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now, if you've done this correctly and you've done it enough, of course 5 times is not enough if it's brand new to you, and take your bow and allow the bow to stop the note. Remember, on cello, you can start and stop the sound on cello by lifting the bow off the string, by muting the strings with the left hand, or the right hand if you're pizzicato, or by stopping the bow hair on the string, which we're exactly going to do here. See what I'm doing? I'm putting down, I'm actually stopping the note just like I did pizzicato style. See that? I'm really slamming my knuckles against. And now we can do the same. So do that with me. Do it one more time. We're now going to do pizzicato style with the bow in the hand. And really going to feel the bow coming against. And we're going to mimic that right after this with the bow hair doing what the knuckles are doing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay? With the metronome now. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, now with the bow. For those of you who don't know what these notes are, this is the C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G, E, D sharp in the tenor clef. That's tenor clef for you, clé d'ut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Lift your bow. And sometimes I talk about actually doing this with your head. You know, chin up, chin down. Chin up is when you play and you get to fall your chin down when you hit on that third beat of the second measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. See, you fall on the beat. And the next part that's in this music would be right here, measure 25 and 26, falling into 27. There's a triplet at the end of there, so it's a little bit more of a challenge. We're here in the bass clef, so let's put our bows in our hand and then play this pizzicato style. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. This is the C sharp, D sharp in the upper third position, and then E, F sharp, G in the first position, and then half position E, D sharp. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now try it with the bow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And what I mean by enjoying these rests with the bow, I'm trying to allude to something that I'm going to sort of repeat this once more. There is a great movie called Karate Kid. It's got Will Smith's son in it. It's got Jackie Chan in it. It came about 15 years ago. And there's an important scene in there that really applies to cello music and all musicianship in general. I know it's a movie that you would not expect me to talk about, but please watch Karate Kid with Jaden Smith and Jackie Chan, and you will understand exactly what I mean when it comes to this particular part in music and what I mean by honoring the rests. Something, I'm not changing the words, but you learn the exact terminology in the Karate Kid movie. Okay, anyway, enough of that.